Hello, this is Abracadabra number 29, Little Bird for Poppy. Okay, so this is how it goes. We start on the D string and straight over onto a G2. Try to remember to keep your violin up nice and high and use your shoulder rest. Okay, here we go. So a quick word about the geography. We play the first line, then we play the second line, then we play the third line, and that DSL fine means you go back and find that sign, which is on bar 5, and then you play it till you get to fine, which is at the end of the middle line.